Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how I make my turkey nachos. These come out to only 9 points on the green Weight Watchers plan, so if you are in a different plan then points will vary. So let's go ahead and get to making these nachos. So here I've already counted out 41 of these Tostitos bite size. The bag is empty. You guys, I've been obsessed with making these nachos, but you can have 41 of these chips for only 7 smart points. I think that is so insanely good, and they taste really good. So this is about 41 chips. I have a lot of crumbs in there, so it's kind of hard to count them out today, but you get a lot of food. Okay, so then here I have 3 ounces of ground turkey. This is gonna be 1 point, so this will be 8 points so far. And then next I am going to add 1/4 cup of this fat-free cheese. This is 0 points. And if you want to add more of this fat-free cheese, then I believe it does go up to like 1 point. And then next I have this queso, which is this one here. And I warmed it up. So it's 2 teaspoons, so this will be 1 point for 2 teaspoons. And here I've washed my lettuce, so I'm just gonna cut it up with my hands like a little savage. And then I have my jalapenos. I cannot eat my nachos without jalapenos. So I'm gonna just drizzle some. These are 0 points. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add some of this Taco Bell hot sauce, and this is also 0 points. And there you have it, guys. Some bomb ass nachos. These are so good. I love them. You can always add different things to your nachos. You can add tomatoes. I was adding pico to mine, but I'm out. And this is so good. It's so filling. I love it. I hope you give this a try. And remember, I am on the green plan, so if you are following another plan, I believe maybe the turkey will be 0 points, so it could probably be even lower in points for you depending on your plan. That is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!